When we have uploaded our video to the YouTube, and after uploading we think that its editing is not up to the mark, it is not very well edited, and we want to edit it again online. So how we can do it? For the small YouTubers, it is easy to delete that video and edit it again and upload it once again. But for the big YouTubers, it is not possible to delete it because they can receive hundreds and thousands of views within a span of 5 to 10 minutes. So they need to edit this video online. How they can do it? For example, I have a video here on my channel and I want to edit it. First of all, you need to open your channel content and go to the video that you want to edit. Click here on this pen, and on the left side click on editor, and here you need to click on trim and cut. When you click on it, a window will open in front of you in which you can make changes of your own choice. You can zoom it out, zoom it in, and both options are available. For example, I want to edit its audio. I need to zoom it and check that whether audio is up to the mark or not. For example, this is the portion. You can see that this is the portion in which my audio is silent. First of all, I will select new cut on the portion. How we can select new cut? We will drag our cursor here and select new cut. This cut is bigger and we need to minimize it and drag it down to the position that we want to cut. Then zoom it again. Zoom it again. Here we can see that our audio is in this portion is silent. So I will click on this tick, then it will be deleted. In the similar way, here I see that my audio is silent. This portion I want to delete it. How we can do it? Edit its audio. So place your cursor here and select new cut, and here minimize it and drag it down to the nearest position and zoom it again so that you can see that here is the portion that I want to delete. Click on tag. In the similar way, the pauses you can delete. Click here and select new cut. Now drag it to the nearer position, zoom it out to check the position. Here we can see that to this mark I need to delete it. So I click here. Now it is deleted. We will check it out whether it is working or not, in which you can resume. In the similar way, here is another position required its editing. New cut, drag it down to the nearer position, cut it from this position. One can check the whole video in the similar way. When you have completed all your trims and cuts, then you can overview your video. For example, click here on overview. Assalamualaikum. Today in this video I will show you the way in which it's a long video. You can check all the videos, that all the length of the video after this trimming process, cutting process. And when you have completed it, then click on save. It will ask you, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. The original version of your video will be stored so you can undo your edits. So they will convert, they will change the trims and cuts, and it will take some time, maybe an hour, 2 hours, depending on the length of the video and your trimming cuts. When it completes its process, then this video will be available for your viewers. During this process, the viewers can see the older version of the video. Click on save. Now video is being processed. Please check back later. Now this video is now being repaired and its cuts will be repaired soon. In this way you can make changes into your video that has uploaded to the YouTube, and after uploading you can change its voice, its other things. You can trim and cut this video and its audio too. So this is very interesting process. Thank you so much for watching this video.